Buy low, sell high to supersize your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom for today is buy low, sell high. This is a fundamental principle or idea in almost all industries. In most industries, manufacturing, which is what I grew up in, buy low, sell high means get your raw materials at the lowest possible cost, assemble them together, create what it is you're creating, manufacture it at a certain cost, and then mark it up, usually 10 times or more, in order to sell it for a profit. And because you had all of the infrastructure and all the manufacturing systems and structures and equipment and things that you had to pay for, right, as part of that industry. Real estate, same thing. Buy low, sell high. It's why there's so many people involved in different types of discounted real estate transactions. I was involved in many real estate businesses over the life of my career thus far. Wholesaling, the whole principle of wholesaling is to buy something less expensively, like from China or another country or where it's manufactured, and then turn around and sell it high. Amazon, right? The whole Amazon platform is based on buy low, sell high, as are eBay and everything else out there. So a lot of industries have this as a core foundation. This is actually attributed to Benjamin Roth. On July 30th, 1931, he wrote in his private journals and diaries during the Great Depression. He kept a journal, and he wrote that it's imperative that we buy low, sell high in order to be successful in business and in life. Not necessarily in life, but in business for sure. It's a fundamental investment principle that's what we want to do. We want to buy stocks when they're low. We want to sell them when they're high. We want to buy bonds and things when they're low and then sell them. Oh, that's not, yeah, the bonds vary too. But a lot of different types of investments we want to do this with. We're talking about investing as the fifth key principle in financial goals during this year's Get Your Goals Annual Challenge. That's why this is a topic, this is an idiom about investment. Curious about your personal experience, your thoughts on this particular idiom, buy low, sell high. Is that what you do in your business? Usually we create something. When we create something, it initially doesn't have a lot of value, but we find ways to add value by solving people's problems, giving them a great experience for working with us, and that adds value. And it's more about, when I look at business and I think about buy low, sell high, I think about, am I adding value? And here's an example. I was on Amazon yesterday looking for a face moisturizer that I use, and it was 4 times more on Amazon than I know it is at Walmart or Target, or if I go into the store and pick it up. So I was a little frustrated by that, because it's the exact same product, the exact same thing. The only difference is the convenience of getting it on Amazon, and I guarantee they didn't pay 4 times the price that Walmart or Target did to have this product and offer it on Amazon. So I think there's some moral and fundamental issues with buy low, sell high, but it's up to us to decide what is right for us, what is right for the people that we serve in terms of pricing and structuring things, etc. So curious about your experience with this particular idiom. I've heard it my entire life. I've lived it my entire life. I've done it my entire life, right? Because I've been involved in a lot of different industries. I can't think of an industry that didn't involve creating something at one cost and then selling it at another higher price, right? Otherwise, why would you do it? We don't create things to lose money or to add less value to the world. That would be silly. Have an awesome day. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow.